Like I said, students, that labor without pay is nothing but anybody who is doing the work without any payment, then we call that as the labor without pay. Normally this will happen within your families. For example, your mother is cooking a food for you, on love, with love, all that will come here. Or if an elder or a younger is doing your work on your behalf without taking any money, then we call that as a labor without pay. You might be asking me, ma'am, tell me generally, ma'am, don't talk about the family thing, ma'am. Give me the general example. Here is a general example for you students. Example of scouts and guides in your schools, or NCC as a part of your schooling, where the students will be cleaning the grounds, roads and all that. They will not get any money for it, but they'll do it as a volunteer work, and that also we call that as a labor without pay. And sometimes the students are assigned to the particular work as part of their courses. For example, the person who is doing an internship, or the person, internship means is an extra work during their course which they will be having, and or the person who is actually, maybe let's take it for example the MBBS course, where in the last year they will be sent for some kind of an experience to take some certain trainings and all that. For that sometimes they will get paid, or sometimes they will not be. So that also we call that as labor without payment. And the next thing comes up here is labor with pay. The labor which gets the compensation based on the hours worked, based on the month's work, maybe with the skills or maybe with the semi-skills, is considered as the labor with pay. And the money which they get, the compensation which they get, they call it as a wages. The person who worked as a labor, they'll get wages. The person who works in a company for a month, they call it as a salary. The people who will work on the projects, that we call it as a compensation or remuneration. The people who will work for a projects like films, all that, whatever they get, we call that as remunerations. So there are different types of the money for the labor with pay. The total pay that is given based on the total work is called wages. Wages are given actually on the based on the hours of work, days of work, weeks of work, or months of work. So here, labor in the small business and on roadside business, work in factories, work in schools, assistant teachers, building work, vehicle repair, garage, agriculture, all this comes with a labor with pay. That whatever they get, that is wages. Through the compensation is merged, it becomes the inevitable for the people to work in this complex social scenario. In the most cases, the workers would not get the expected wages also. Based on the Fixed Wages Act, they might not get the wages. The compensation is nothing but it's an agreement between the worker and the owner. Sometimes the compensation can be in the form of materials. In traditional societies, each person had a customary and a hereditary professionary, and hence the people were dependent on each other in a given social environment. The money was in the least circulation, harmony and coexistence among the various caste system here. If I want to talk about that labor with payment, then barter system, during which we used to give rice to someone and we used to get dal from someone, right? But here also the barter system was more popular in a village setup. The most of the cases, the physical labor was compensated with the material and the food grains. That used to happen in labor with pay during the barter system. With the increase in the usage of money, the practice of providing the monetary compensation for the labors also has been increased. That's all about the concept of labor with pay and without pay, students. Very simple, but it's very important from your examination point of view. Labor without payment means giving a manual assistance or working for them without a money, without a monetary benefit. We call that as labor without pay. Example is your family or NCC or Scouts and Guides or the service internship which the students will be doing. And labor with pay is normal. You can write the any field where they are getting the salaries. Students, I want you to read this lesson, revise this, and write the explanatory notes and share it with me through the Google Classroom app. If you have any doubts, please share it to me through the Google Classroom app or the WhatsApp. Till that, students, stay safe, stay home, and keep your learning button on. Only our schools are closed, our brains are not. Okay, students, please keep your learning button on. Thank you so much, students. Allah Hafiz.